Hi guys, we are here now with the number 3 of the Europe finals, Russia. So how do you feel now it's over?
Yeah, I think it was good. Yesterday we have not good luck like today, but today we catch a very good run.
Yesterday in the interview you told me you had like the special trick, so to drink more and then you bench better. Can you tell me how was the night yesterday?
No. I think that we have very some luck today. It's trick with drinking not help now our team.
Okay, so let's talk about a bit about the benchmarks. Like, what were your scores on the different benchmarks, the frequencies, and yeah.
Today our best frequency was 1475, and the memory I forget.
2618 megahertz for memory.
And it was the best result today from all competition.
We have run on 1500 megahertz on GPU, but we crashed on GT4.
Yeah, well, when you get that high, yeah, it's quite difficult. But compared to the other teams, it's still quite high anyway.
Yeah, because I think only Massman's video cards do the same.
The one that died?
Yeah.
It helped our team.
It's Secret Week.
Yeah. So, did you guys already went to Taiwan?
He was in Taiwan. I will go there first time.
First time, so you're quite enjoying it already?
Yes.
Did he told you everything that happened in Taiwan? The beer is cheaper in Taiwan, so you can even drink more, right?
Yeah.
But I think I'm going with my wife in Taiwan, and I can't drink too much.
Ah.
No, his wife don't allow drinking.
Okay. So, how are you going to prepare for the World Finals? Already have strategy or?
Now we don't know about the rules of final.
Yeah, well, you can already think it will be probably quite similar.
Yeah, we ask about it and we will be preparing. But next month, I think we need to make some benchmark for Asus, because now Asus is a sponsor of our team. And they gave us new video cards, and we need to bench some maybe Vantage, 11 and O3 with new DirectQ video cards.
And run single lighting.
Yes, and run this card for HW bot.
Okay, so now you saw that event. What you would like to have more in Taiwan for the World Finals? What needs to be improved, or what was the best thing here?
I think MOA is now it's the best competition of the world, because nobody, no one company don't have such a big level like this.
And this year Gigabyte is not doing competition apparently, so.
I don't know, because Russian Gigabytes tells us that they don't provide any more competition this year in Russia.
I think probably this year it will be mainly MSI doing the live competitions like this.
Yeah, but for me, I was in Gigabyte Gook, but for me, I like MOA more than Gigabyte Gook, because hardware is better from this competition, because you have a very good and powerful video cards, you have a good motherboards, and the interesting benchmark.
And very good there we have two teammates.
Yeah.
And overclocking not only CPUs but and video card too.
Yeah, we were talking with Monster before, the one that arrived number 1, and they told it was actually much more relaxing to bench 2 people at the same time. Okay, so then, well, I will let you go because there's the award ceremony soon, and enjoy the moment on stage and see you in Taiwan for some good overclocking.
Okay, thank you.
Congratulations, guys.
Thanks.